I have lots of fried rice recipes on my channel, and this is another easy and delicious one to add to the list. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making teriyaki fried rice. Stay tuned. You can use a wok or a skillet for this recipe. I have my heat on medium-high, and I'm adding in about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I have 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and a thumb or about 2 teaspoons of minced ginger. Cooking and stirring for about 15 to 20 seconds, and then I'm adding in 1 cup each of diced onion and red bell peppers. Cooking and stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the onions start to change color. I am sure you can imagine how good this smells. I like the taste of pineapple and teriyaki together. This is about 1 cup of diced fresh pineapple, and you can use canned pineapple. You use what you have. I'm also adding in 1 cup of frozen peas, cooking and stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes. This teriyaki fried rice is not only delicious, but it's pretty with colors. This is 3 large beaten eggs that I scrambled into fine pieces. For making fried rice, day-old cooked rice is the best. And this is because it doesn't stick together. The sauce I'm using is real simple. I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, and you can use your favorite brand. Also, the teriyaki sauce is to taste. You can use up to 4 to 5 tablespoons of the teriyaki sauce if you wish. Cooking and stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes or until everything is combined and the rice is heated through. Right before the final toss, I'm adding in a handful of chopped green onions. 1 more toss, and we are ready to eat. You can add the vegetables that you like, and also any meat. This fried rice is so flavorful with the garlic, ginger, and a nice change with the teriyaki sauce. Easy to make and delicious. I hope you give this teriyaki fried rice a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.